Hello, here is a step-by-step tutorial to remove ransomware from your system completely. This new file extension is a new advanced variant of stock ransomware that encrypts the files, documents, photos, videos, and any other files available on your PC, so that you cannot have access to those files. Then they demands a ransom in order to decrypt those encrypted files. There are more than 220 variants of ransomware. There is an increase in cyber attack nowadays, and new ransomwares coming out and affecting thousands of computer systems. As a result, people are losing valuable data and confidential files because of the ransomware. All of this is done so they can demand a few hundreds or thousands of dollars to decrypt the files. But even if you pay or thinking about paying the money, do remember that even after paying the ransom there is no guarantee that the files will be decrypted or you will get your data back. Here is a step-by-step tutorial you can follow for removing .erif files from your system. To do that, watch the video carefully till the end to understand how we are going to remove the virus, how to get your system back on track, and how to decrypt files using different methods. All these methods are tested and proven. CyberSecure is providing solutions for individuals and businesses, securing each one of you, without asking for any money. We value your time and feedback. To help us grow, share the video with more people, help them to prevent a cyber attack, and if you like more content on how to secure your belongings, to stay informed and stay alert, subscribe now. So how does a ransomware work? The ransomware add files to the Windows startup, and make alterations to registry, adds new IP addresses to Windows host file, which enables the criminals to control your PC. Additionally, this ransomware could encrypt or lock all of your files, adds a new extension to the files so they become useless. Once it starts spreading, it can become nasty. This time we have got you covered. To start, we are going to enter safe mode. To enter safe mode, press Windows key plus R key to open run command. Type msconfig and hit enter. A new window will open. Select the boot tab. In boot options, check the safe boot box and press OK. Upon asking, click on restart now. Let the system restart and Windows will open in safe mode. Important tip: in safe mode many options are disabled. Windows will only be running on basic features, so if you use a PIN code, it might not work. You will need your account password. To make sure all the files and folders are visible, go to Folder Options, so we don't miss any file or unwanted program. Press Windows key plus E to open Windows Explorer. Select View tab, then Options, change Folder and Search option. Select Show Hidden Files and Folders. Clear the checkbox from Hide Extensions for known file types. And clear the checkbox next to Hide Protected Operating System Files. If a pop-up appears, press Yes, then go to Folder option window, and press OK. Now we want to make sure there aren't any IP addresses added to the host file, which could transmit information back to the criminals. To edit the host's file, press Windows key and E to open File Explorer. Go to C Drive and Windows folder. Open System32 folder. Open Drivers folder. Open ETC folder. And there you will see a file named Hosts. Open the file using Notepad, or create a new text file on your desktop. Open the blank document. Now drag and drop the host's file to the newly created text document. Find all the suspicious IP addresses and delete them all. Now close the text file and press Save. Now we will check any unwanted programs or suspicious files from Startup folder and remove them all. Press Window button and E to open Windows Explorer. In the Startup folder, go to your user profile or default profile and find the files added by the ransomware and delete them all. To edit registry, open Run command using Windows key plus R. Now type reg edit. It's a tricky part. Please be careful with this. Follow the steps only as directed. Now there are few locations we will check and delete the files, which are connected with ransomware. Be very careful with the steps. To delete all temp files, press Windows key plus R, Run command will open. Then type %temp, a new window will open. Select all files then delete them all. Press Windows key plus R, Run command will open. Then type prefetch, a new window will open. Select all the files then delete them all. To start Windows normally press Windows key and R, Run command will open. Now type msconfig, new window will open. Select Boot tab. Then go down to Boot Options, uncheck the Safe Boot box. To restart Windows normally, press OK and restart. Windows will start in normal mode. Now you need an antivirus to protect your system from any malware. You have done most of the part, but for hidden and sticky malwares and files, we recommend using Gridinsoft anti-malware or Malwarebytes. They are good at targeting hidden malwares, spyware, and ransomware. It will also protect you from further attacks. We personally use Malwarebytes and Gridinsoft to target malware, spyware, and other viruses to protect our data. Links are in description. These ransomware can also steal your personal details, account passwords, or bank information, and send it to the criminals. It is recommended by CyberSecure to change all of your passwords as soon as possible by using another device. If you have any question or problem, CyberSecure is there for you. Like, subscribe, share, and follow us for more updates on how to be safe and secure your privacy. See you next time.